Building your project report with Finline starts by registering your login details. You can either log in with your Google account or enter an email address and create a password. Once you have logged in, you begin with filling in the relevant details for your report through this section, starting with your general information here. Once you have filled in all the details, then click on Next to move on to the next step. Here, you need to mention the type of business you are planning to start and select the industry you are working in. Then, move on to the next page. Click on the type of loan you choose to apply for. After moving on to the next step, you are asked to select the purpose of your loan. You could choose between term loan, working capital, or even both. In the following step, you need to answer the questions regarding various expenses for your business wherever applicable in yes or no. Please mention the estimated amount for each if your answer is yes. After answering each question, kindly click on Next. Fill out the questionnaire regarding your initial and monthly expenses. It includes your office rent or electricity bills, marketing costs, other miscellaneous costs, etc. Kindly note that it may vary based on the type of business you are applying for. Next, you need to mention the amount for the working capital loan that you require, if applicable. Once you have finished with your answers, you can click on Next. In the final step, you will need to fill in your company details such as office address, firm registration type, your contact details, etc. In case you need to go back and edit anything, you can click on the back button of any of these sections. After reaching the end, click on Create Report. In case you need any other clarification or help, kindly contact us on the given number and our support team is available to chat with you on WhatsApp.